That's right, don't think of YouTube as social media, it really isn't. What it is the world's second largest search engine. So why not go all in on video content that AI is gonna have a much harder time replacing? Sure, there are AI generated channels, but I turn them off pretty quick, and I bet you do too. I don't know a single person alive who would rather watch a video made up of B-roll clips and a fake voiceover than a real person with real experiences and an actual personality. So look through your content and then concentrate on the topics that only a real human can answer. What's the content that comes from your direct experiences? Create more stuff like that. You can still use ChatGPT for your first drafts, but if you want better performance in search engines, you'll have to do ChatGPT 1 better. So layer in your human experiences. Include anecdotes from your life or work. Inject a few opinions and take a stance on some issues. Let's say your business is selling personal finance coaching. You help people get out of debt. So if you create plain old generic content, you might have ChatGPT spit out some quick articles like 5 ways to get out of debt. Inject your experience though, and suddenly people have more reason to read. Maybe you think the debt snowball method is superior to the avalanche method, and your article's defending the reasons why. Then relate them back to when you got out of debt yourself. You can still use ChatGPT for your base content, but you're also going one layer deeper, taking a stance, defending it, and giving Google's users something to think about, not just a quick bite. And of course, all these digital marketing categories up till now all exist to move people deeper and deeper into your sales funnel. And the goal for all these people you've connected with so far should be to get them onto your email list, where you can take it even deeper, faster. Yep, email marketing's still the king when it comes to converting interested prospects into paying customers.